Hello student, I am Prachi. Today's our topic is MCQs on Unit 5 of Maintenance of Electrical Equipment. So this is the part 1. So first is, which material is used for the manufacture of brushes in DC motor? So the answer is graphite. Means graphite is used for the manufacture of brushes in DC motors. Second, which among these devices are used to protect low voltage induction motor? So the correct answer is all of this. Means HRC fuse, contactor starter, thermal overload relay. Means these devices are used to protect low voltage induction motor. Next is, tap changing transformer are used for both stepping up and stepping down the voltage. So the tap changing transformer are used for the both stepping up and stepping down the voltage. Next is, an ammeter is a which instrument? Absolute instrument, recording instrument, secondary instrument, or integrating instrument? So the correct answer is that is the secondary instrument. An ammeter is a secondary instrument. Next is, for what voltage is twin conductor bundle used in India? So the correct answer is 500 kilovolt. Means 500 kilovolt voltage is twin conductor bundle used in India. Next is, which of the following machine will be preferred to charge the batteries? So the series generator will be preferred to charge the batteries. Next is, which of the following motor is used in ceiling fan? So the induction motor is used in ceiling fans. Next is, electrostatic voltmeter instruments are used suitable for both AC and DC work. Means electrostatic voltmeter instruments are suitable for both AC and DC work. Next is, the failure percentage of electric motor is higher due to the bearing failure. Means failure percentage of electric motor is higher due to the bearing failure. Next is, which of the following is usually not the generating voltage? So the 9.9 kilovolt is usually not the generating voltage. Next is, what rated voltage is the shielded cable provided in low voltage system? So the rated voltage is less than 500 volt. Next is, what is meant by equalizer bus? The bus connecting series field in parallel. That is the mean. What is the mean of equalizer bus? Means the bus connecting series field in parallel. Next is, which among these is the application of universal motor? So the vacuum cleaner is the application of universal motor. Next is, which device is connected in series? So the smoothing reactor is connected in series. Next is, which of the amongst is the first equipment placed in the uninterrupted power supply? Means UPS. So the rectifier is the first equipment placed in the uninterrupted power supply. Next is, which material has lower dielectric strength at 50 Hz, published on 30 September 50 ampere? Bakelite, glass, air, dielectric. So the air is the answer. Next is, which material is used for the manufacture of brushes in DC motors? So the graphite. 18th is, which among these is a type of test? Bending test, drainage test, and dielectric security test. So all the options are correct, and the correct answer is all of this. Means all these are the type test. Which part of the tower is buried in the ground? Anchor part of the tower is buried in the ground. Next is, what is the expression for the amplitude of the reflector wave? Means expression for the amplitude of the reflected wave is IR is equals to, in whole bracket, R minus Z by R plus Z whole bracket complete IT. This is the correct answer. This is the part 1 of this unit. In the next lecture, we see the remaining MCQs of this unit. So today's thank you.